This place is so cute. It's so nicely decorated. There are flowers and feels like a little like princess place. Hi everyone, it's Jess here and I'm here to talk to you all about expat living in Hong Kong. If you're just looking for the recipe, I'll link the time right here. I'll also create one of those tab things so you can skip right to it. So today I'll be going to Bake Your Own in Causeway Bay. As you know, I'm in Causeway Bay right now in Times Square. And so Bake Your Own is kind of like a do-it-yourself baking workshop where they give you a iPad with instructions and you just follow the instructions to make your baking items. There are ingredients for you to collect in the store, and the best part is after you're done baking, there is someone there to clean up after you. So I think that's one of the best parts. The creations are aesthetically pleasing and there are a variety of items that you can make. I actually made macaroons before and also a birthday cake, and I really like the results. So I'm going back to show you what you can do in Hong Kong if you have that itch to go baking. As you know, in Hong Kong, a lot of us live in very tight spaces, so we don't have ovens or sufficient kitchen space to bake. So follow me, let's go! Hi guys, I'm here today at Bake Your Own and I'm going to be making a matcha cheesecake. Instructions are very easy to follow. So the first item they have is how to turn on a scale. So right now I'm just gonna take this ingredient list and I'm gonna go over there where all the ingredients are. Also 1 egg. Would also need a 8-inch round shaped removable bottom mold and then 8-inch baking paper. So now that I've got all my ingredients, I'm going to start making my matcha cake base. So now that we're waiting for the matcha base to cool down, we're gonna make the matcha mousse. For the gelatin, you need to soak it in a bowl of cold water first. Sure, we pour the hot milk in the plastic bowl in 4 respective times. So let's go 1. Just want to make sure that the batter is smooth and that there are no lumps. Okay, 2, 3, and lastly 4. So we want to make sure that there are no lumps, so the final mixture is very smooth. Label your plastic bowls A, B, C, D, E. So what you're doing is you are making the gradient of the matcha mousse. Start from the center when pouring, and then let the colors spread out on their own. Okay, it's ready. So let's take a look how it turned out. I actually spilled like 1/3 of my cream cheese cake batter, so my cream cheese cake is gonna be a little bit flat and it's not very gradient. It's supposed to look a lot nicer. So that's it for my video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give my video a thumbs up and click subscribe for more videos on expat living in Hong Kong. Bye guys!